Hello guys, welcome to Tutorial Ace, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share the credential of Google My Business to any your maybe your friend or any your co-workers or colleagues. So suppose you have Google My Business but you won't give anyone user and password of Gmail. So what is the mechanism, what is the procedure through which you can just give access? You don't have to give the complete user and password. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can give access or how you can add a user into Google My Business so that they can manage. They cannot delete completely but they can just manage. So let me show you without wasting time. Let's go to the computer and I will show you. So what I'll do here, this is my account where my Google My Business is there, okay, or simply you can write Google My Business. After this you can see, if you are logged in already, then you can see your complete profile here. For in my example, this is the one where I will show you. So once you open, then you can see something like this. Okay, what you need to do, just click here 3 points. You can see here these 3 points, and then business profile settings, the first one, this business profile settings. Just click on that. After that you can see this people and access, just click on that, and after that you can add the user who you want. As you can see, in my case there are already 2 users added, so the next one I will add one more here. And also you have the option, so who is this, who is actually the one member you are going to add. So what will be the role, for example, if you want to give the owner, then he can do everything. If you just give manager, then he will have limited access. So I will provide here my this one, owner. This is the Gmail ID I'm going to add, and then invite. Okay, you can see here it is showing the pending. Once this user will accept, then he can log in and manage and make the posting. So that's it. It's very easy, as you can see. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.